Math World Suni.
The question is, find the value of x such that 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 into 3 raised to x plus 2 plus 81 equals 0. 3 to the power of 2x minus 2 into 3 raised to x plus 2 plus 81 equal to 0. Now look into the middle term. Middle term is 3 raised to x plus 2. That means it is of the form a raised to m plus n. So we can split and we can write it as 3 raised to x into 3 raised to 2. Minus 2 into 3 raised to x into 3 square plus 81 equal to 0. Now 3 raised to 2x minus 3 square means it is 9. 9 2s are 18. So 18 into 3 raised to x plus 81 equal to 0. Now 3 raised to 2x can be written as 3 raised to x whole square minus 18 into 3 to the power of x plus 81 equal to 0. Now this 3 raised to x can be taken as y. Let y equal to 3 raised to x. Therefore the equation will become y square minus 18y plus 81 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is y, b equal to 9. Therefore y minus 9 whole square equal to 0. That means y is equal to 9. Now y is equal to 3 to the power of x. Therefore this can be written as 3 to the power of x is equal to 9 means it is 3 square. That is 3 to the power of x equal to 3 square. Now compare the powers. Here base is 3 itself. Therefore power is x is equal to 2. If you like my video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Please share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.